How to collect autumn leaves. Today, I will take you to take a look at the 5-leaf collection equipment of Baiyi. The first one is the leaf suction machine, which can be driven by hand or self-propelled. It is equipped with 2 leaf collection modes and crushes fallen leaves. The equipment is small in size and simple in operation, suitable for gardens and factories. The second model is the traction top leaf collector, which is equipped with a 6 to 8 meter handheld straw. The third model is a small driving type leaf collection vehicle. The whole vehicle is pure electric. It is equipped with 2 types of leaf collection modes, bottom suction top and handheld straw. It has strong portability, high transfer efficiency. The fourth model is a driving type leaf collection vehicle. This equipment adopts a heavy-duty chassis and is equipped with a sweeping brush to clean the fallen leaves on the ground. With a bottom suction top, it can quickly collect the fallen leaves on the ground. The 6 to 8 meter handheld straw can also collect the piles of fallen leaves. The fifth model is a multifunctional leaf collection vehicle. This model is a professional vehicle for collection and transfer of autumn leaves. It is a collection of leaves. The sanitation truck is equipped with a 4.5 cubic ultra-large capacity fallen leaf collection box and dust removal and filtering system. It has the characteristics of large storage capacity and no dust. The bottom suction top and handheld straw double collection mode can quickly collect fallen leaves on the ground and inside the green belt. The unique fan mechanism breaks the fallen leaves, which greatly improves the collection efficiency.